In this tutorial, you will learn how to create Atlassian credentials that will enable you to access the content of your Confluence spaces via external integrations and use the Confluence and Jira tools. First, click on Credentials and Models in the menu to view the list of credentials. Next, click on Add Credentials to begin creating new credentials. Click on Atlassian. Begin by assigning a name to these new credentials. Next, select who can edit the credentials. Here, we will allow other builders to edit them. Next, provide the URL of your Atlassian tenant in the format https://yourtenantatlassian.net. Specify the email address to use to access the Atlassian tenant. We recommend using a service account. Provide the API key associated with the account. You can create an API key by logging into Atlassian with this account and going to the security settings. For more details, read our documentation page. Finally, click on Add Credentials to finalize the creation. The credentials should now be visible with the success status in the list of credentials.